Okay, so we're looking for Pray for Sets, which is also known as Pray for Sex. Part of Makua Beach. And we just asked a couple gentlemen and they said to look for a cave on the right. All right, well, I will show you. So the sun sets on this side of the island. We're on the west side, Waianae, and we passed the sun at Sekaʻena Point, so we're basically at almost the very end of the west side as far as where you can drive. And since the sun's setting on this side, we have the most amount of daylight than we would anywhere else on the island, so this is perfect. This whole place is glistening with glass. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's glass like all over the ground over here. Okay. Yeah, for sure.
I mean, if you're okay with walking.
Yeah. We're gonna walk a ways. We haven't gone very far. We're gonna stop here and take pictures. I'm with my roommate. We're gonna take some photos for like social media and stuff. All right, so took some photos of my roommate and I just got ready. We're just gonna go. Oh, there are a lot of pokey things at this beach, like thorns, so watch your step. But I'll show you more of the scenery. This helicopter just came and it was flying like this, and I was like scared it was gonna crash, but I think they're rescuing someone. They have helicopter rides here. I don't know if they're still doing them right now during the pandemic, but. Alright, so got caught up taking photos and forgot I need to take more videos to show you. Look how gorgeous this is. I missed showing you the sunset. Maybe I'll insert here. Right? I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see. So this area is called Pray for Sets because surfers were praying for a set of waves and then it turned into Pray for Sex. So that's why it's called this. I don't know if we're in the exact spot of it. We might have passed it over there that way, but yeah, this was perfect. There were not a lot of people here and it's a Sunday, so this is a nice place to come on a weekend and not have to worry about crowds, at least in the now times. We'll see how things go after all of, you know, what is done with. But I hope you enjoyed this scenery. We are looking for the Pillbox hike. We're on west side, Waianae, and we're supposed to go past the 9th light post, and so we'll see what we find. There's going to be a pink pillbox. I will show you guys what we find. All right, so we found the beginning of the trail. We are going to check out this hike. So far it's been a pretty easy hike. It's like I'm holding this and I'm not having any trouble getting up. There was a rope down there if you need help, but really it's pretty easy as long as you have sneakers with traction. But actually the gentleman we just saw, he was barefoot and he said it was fine. He said it took him about 30 to 40 minutes. He said it might start to rain soon, but fingers crossed. I do have an umbrella with me if it does. And it's nice because it's breezy right now and it's pretty sunny on the west side generally anyway. So the breeze is nice, it helps. I think if there wasn't a breeze, it'd be a little less enjoyable because it would just be hot. There are no mosquitoes here because there are no pools of water, so that's nice. On the south side, Honolulu, some of those hikes you'll encounter mosquitoes. In Manoa, for example. Look at this view. Ooh, these trees up ahead look pretty cool. Let me show you. And right now where I am, the rocks are blocking the sun, so it's nice and cool here. I'm a little winded, but it's really not that hard of a hike. Just gorgeous. I've yet to find a hike here on Oahu that wasn't pretty. So here on Oahu, and probably the other islands, there's like a rainbow almost every day, maybe every day somewhere on the island. And we just saw one. Check it out. The wind just picked up and it's starting to sprinkle. Wish us luck. We finally made it. There are two pillboxes here. There's this one, and then there's a pink one back there. And so down there, you've got Maili Beach right over there. All right, let's go to the pillbox. Hi, Tubbs. He's like, come and check it out. Whoa. This is pretty cool.
The wind is strong up here.
Yeah. Looks like people have been partying up here and praying apparently. That's pretty cool. So one thing that's pretty cool about Oahu is there's artwork everywhere outside in Kaka'ako down in Honolulu and in various places on the sides of the roads and in pillboxes too. Let's go check out the other one. Super windy! Yeah, I guess you can climb up on top. So there are multiple pillboxes here. This next one is red, white, and blue, and then there's a pink one up there somewhere. All right, let's see what this one looks like. That's really pretty. Wow, what does that say?
K-A-T-S-E.
Okay, I have no idea what these say, so I hope it's something okay, but they're really pretty. This pillbox is a lot bigger than the other one, and I'll show you the view. It's the same as before. Ooh, it looks like it's raining. All right, let's see what it looks like in this pink pillbox. It's raining a little bit, but it feels nice.
This one, I actually think the second one is the coolest.
Yeah. So it looks like this last pillbox is closed. The door's not open. There's a little slit. We could crawl our way in there probably, but I don't think it's worth it. But so far that second pillbox we saw looked really cool inside. We're gonna keep it going. We might be at the top, I'm not sure, but we'll see. The views here are just spectacular. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. Okay, so there is another pillbox up here, but we're thinking it might be a little difficult to get to and it doesn't look as cool. So probably not worth us checking it out. But of course, if you come and you can figure out a safe way to get there, do your thing. One last look at this gorgeous scenery from all the way up here. That's really pretty. All right, we're all done. We saw not a ton of people, and people are just starting now, and it is almost 5. The sun sets on this side of the island, so we still have about another hour and a half of daylight. I guess you can start this hike pretty late in the day and still be okay. Although there are a lot of car break-ins, I read online, but we seem to be fine. So I would say just hide any valuables or bring them with you. Just don't have anything in your car that looks like worth taking. Of course, that's a general rule everywhere.